Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by collecting the essentials, the provider name and any billing documents you already have. Once done, check the physical modem or set-top box for serial and MAC labels. Those often tie to your account. Make sure to have the phone number on file and the approximate installation date. These speed verification. If you still have the original invoice or activation email, keep it open. This makes the next step, contacting support or logging in, immediate and efficient. Now, log into the provider portal or mobile app using your email, phone, or customer ID. Once inside, navigate to account settings or service details. Those pages usually display the account number or customer reference. If not visible, open billing or invoices and inspect the top of any statement for a numeric ID. You can also view registered devices or installation records. Device serials frequently connect to the account number and give you a cross-reference. If online searches fail, contact verified support via phone or live chat and verify your identity using address, DOB, or last invoice amount. Ask them directly for the Satlite account number and confirm the exact format. Some use dashes or prefixes. Once they read it, repeat it back to confirm accuracy, then save a screenshot, write it on the invoice, or add it to your secure password manager. Troubleshooting tip: if support can't find it, provide the modem serial and installation date to locate the record quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.